Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can use an American Express Amex credit card. So if you've just received your American Express credit card, here's how you can start using it. So first of all, you need to activate your credit card using the Amex mobile app, the American Express website, or calling the number on sticker attached to your card. So I'm just gonna show you how it works, okay? So you gotta open the Amex app and log in and create an account just like that, and then you gotta tap activate your card, okay? Once you do that, enter your card number, security number, and then digit. After that, you're good to go. Your card is ready and it's activated for use. You can use your Amex card in stores by tapping it for contactless payments, inserting a chip into the card reader, or swiping if it needed. For online shopping, you can simply use your card information and you can do that. So you can fill your bills in the app, do online shopping, and do in-store purchases with your card. Also, you can manage your account on Amex app. You got your home statements, membership offers, and account. You also can make payments as I told you, and yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can use American Express card. So I hope this really actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.